So I came up on this beef cheek. Picked this up at Iowa Meat Farms. Yeah, check that out. I'm gonna flip it over so you can see all that silver skin and loose fat that you need to trim off. This is my binder, some roasted garlic oil that I got from Iowa Meat Farms as well. This stuff is real good and pretty strong, so you don't need much of it. Then I went ahead and grabbed the last of my 4 from Ohana Spice Trading Company, that Kona coffee rub. Been dying to try this, so I chose this beef cheek to use it on. Nice liberal coating, patting it in, came outside, fired up the Char Grill Legacy, set up that Meat Stick X app. Got that Meat Stick X right up in there, right in that thick part. Got it set for pulled brisket because they didn't have one set for beef cheek. So that's what I chose. Set it on indirect, rolling with the good Charcoal Company premium lump. It's that first reading, 137 degrees. See what I mean? Came on back out here, threw a chunk of this Crown Royal whiskey barrel. Big old chunk of that. This the second reading, a little over 2.5 hours, 152 degrees. This the third reading, almost at 4 hours, 189 degrees. It got away from me a little bit, but I came on out here and wrapped it up just like that. And just let it coast on up to temp. Got it wrapped nice and tight. You know, close the lid, let it finish doing this thing. Then the Meat Stick X app told me, hey man, you ready. Your meat is done. Take it off and let it rest. So I came on out here and checked it with my quick temp. It wasn't lying. It was ready. That bad boy was tasty. So I went on ahead and took a couple little slices. The smaller piece that I had wrapped up was real tender. This was a little tight, I ain't gonna lie. But it was good. It's real tasty.
Okay, so there it is. Beef cheek with the Ohana Spice Trading Company Kona coffee rub. All right, this is a pretty good chunk. The little piece that I had, that bad was just like tender and very gelatinous. So let's get a bite of this. I mean, I didn't edit that. That went straight through. It's tender. It's like a good piece of steak. Very interesting tasting cut of meat. I'll tell you that much. It seems like when you get more in the head area of animals, it's a funk in the taste they go on here. Very gelatinous, probably good for your skin. A lot of collagen in there, so I'm gonna probably be looking real pretty after this video. All right. Appreciate y'all checking me out. You know what time it is. In the Smoke with Keenan. That's where I brought you. I took you in the smoke. Showed you what I did with this beef cheek. I've been waiting to do this bad boy. Been waiting to try that Kona coffee rub. It's very good. Ran that on the Good Charcoal Company premium lump on my Char Griller Legacy. You know what time it is. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all know what time it is when I'm dropping new content. All right. Y'all be cool out there. 1.